Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Today I just want to really quickly show you how I grease or oil my scalp. Grease your scalp, that's a really old word back in the day. Girl, sit down so I can grease your scalp. Yeah, I want to show you guys how I oil my scalp really quickly. What I have in my melanin hair care oil, because it's all gone. So what I have in here now is just 1/4 of coconut oil. That's it. You can use any oil of your choice, but I decided to use coconut oil, and I have 15 drops of peppermint oil in here. Now the peppermint oil gives me like a really nice tingly feeling, and I also like the refreshing smell since I don't wash my mini twist. Putting this oil, and I literally just squeeze it in my hair like so, especially on the spots that I know that's kind of been itching, or where I've noticed that I have a lot of dry spots at. I just get it all over my scalp like so, and I like that nice cooling tingly feeling from the peppermint oil. And if you guys don't like coconut oil, like I said, you can use any oil of your choice. And another oil that I really love to do this with is jojoba oil and peppermint oil. But I haven't went and got jojoba oil in quite some time. And after I squeeze the oil on my scalp, I like to give myself a nice little scalp massage, trying to just stay on my scalp and not necessarily rub my twist, because I don't want my twist to get frizzy at the roots and to get tangled at the roots. So I really focus on making sure that I am only rubbing my scalp, and then I kind of like pour some of the oil, like probably an inch down the hair. But I really don't try to do that too much, because yet again, I don't want my hair to get too frizzy, and these are twists, and I'm not trying to have my hair tangled. And like I said, just the refreshing peppermint smell, like you don't even need any like hair deodorants or anything like that. Like if you have a nice essential oil that you love that doesn't bother your nose or anything like that, just get your favorite oil and put your favorite essential oil inside the oil, and it's natural, and you're really good to go. Just make sure that you get your scalp oiled really good. And then I also like to show my edges extra love, because it feels like they've been going through some things, and I don't know, to me they feel like they've kind of gotten a little thin. Oh Jesus, I put a little bit too much oil on that section, but it's okay. Too much oil is never enough oil. Too much oil is never too much oil. But I'm just have a greasy forehead for a couple of days. And if you know you're prone to like dandruff or really dry patches in a certain area, just make sure you show that area a little extra love. And then also, you cannot forget your ends. So I put some in my hands, and then I just kind of grab my ends of my hair and just rub literally the ends, like just this part of my hair, because even though I don't wear my hair down, you still need to show your ends a lot of love, because they are the oldest part of your hair. I like to make sure that I get the ends of my hair really good. And then when I do this to my hair, I like to put my hair in a low bun to sleep in, so that my ends are fully submerged and protected. And I just kind of get myself really good, just making sure that all of my scalp did get some oil on it. And I just take my hair and I lightly twist it, because I don't want my hair to be crimped. Just in case I want to wear my hair down, I don't have like a permanent solid crimp in my hair. and I wrap my hair tie around it very loosely. Like, I don't even go around the whole bun twice. Like, I go around the base of my bun, and then I go like in the middle of the bun, so I can't even go around the base of my bun again. And you guys, after this, I put my head rag on, which is this, and I am good to go. Like, I'm good to go to sleep. And I only have done this twice in my hair so far, so I will probably do it maybe like once every 3 days, 5 days, because I don't put that much oil in my hair. Like, I just kind of put like a little bit too much on this side, but you only want enough just to kind of saturate your scalp and to hydrate your scalp, since you're not putting water in your hair or wetting your hair, and to just make sure that your scalp stays really healthy and really clean. And then I'll show you guys if I feel like I have too much oil or too much grease in my hair. I'll make another video on how I kind of like remove some of the oil off of my scalp, just to let my scalp breathe. But I'll show you guys that later on in another video, because I'm not fit to rub all of this oil out of my hair, so I got something. Sometimes if I feel like I put too much in there, I will put a plastic bag on my hair to kind of do an overnight hot oil treatment, but that's just preference. If I feel like I need that extra love, which when I get closer to like my 1 month and 2 week mark, I probably will start putting a plastic bag on my head closer to my month mark. But other than that, as of right now, I'm just kind of lightly oiling my scalp, giving myself a nice scalp massage, and then I'm gonna put my hair rag on and call it a night. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.